last, after a trip to the hardware store to get some extra nuts, the rear end is finished. The dents turned out okay. You know, there's still, you can still see them. This one at certain angles doesn't look great, but it actually is a lot better than it was. But yeah, for a, how old is this thing? 88? It's a 30-year-old car. Does not look too bad. The rear end is done. Now we're going to move on to the dash cover, which is screwed in already here and on the other side. So now I'm just going to kind of go through bit by bit and you know, apply the adhesive in all the different spots. Get that finished up. So the new ashtray looks great in the right spot. Everything else is all sorted. Got the cover on the back with the spare. I mean, this interior, I still can't believe how nice it is in here. So I'll have to get it vacuumed out, and then we'll get that dash installed, and then we'll be good. Bye, old girl. I'm bummed we couldn't work it out. Look at that sad little nose with this Porsche. You know what it needs? Boop. That's what it needs. Let's put it on. Bam, bam, bam. Wow, wow. Looks good. Look at that. We got a Porsche in the garage. Let's go drive it. Alrighty. Here we are, driving the 944. It's got a little pep in it. It's got a little pep. It definitely, the power definitely doesn't come on until you spool it up to about 3,500 RPM. And the clutch release is way at the very, very top. But it's a good car. It's very, very tight. It still feels good. Got the very heavy steering, which is fun, and sounds great. You know, for an older 4-cylinder, not bad at all.